Welcome to AutoVibe Diaries, your go-to destination for the most exciting, luxurious, and futuristic vehicles from around the globe today. We are diving into something that breaks all expectations and defies the limits of imagination, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV. Yes, you heard it right, Ferrari, the brand known for Formula One excellence, V12 supercars, and aggressive Italian design, has now entered the world of recreational vehicles, but with a twist that only Ferrari could deliver. This isn't your typical RV. It's a rolling piece of automotive art mixed with a DNA of speed and sophistication. The exterior design of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV is a dramatic expression of aerodynamic mastery. Sleek sculpted lines flow from front to rear, echoing the profile of a hypercar on steroids. The signature Ferrari grille is reinterpreted into a bold geometric form, flanked by adaptive matrix laser headlights that provide unmatched visibility and style. The entire body is made from lightweight carbon fiber reinforced aluminum panels, keeping the vehicle agile while maintaining structural integrity. Retractable solar panel wings extend from the roof, doubling as sunshades when parked while actively recharging the hybrid battery system. This RV rides on 24-inch forged alloy wheels painted in signature Ferrari red with yellow calibers peeking through. The rear features active aero flaps that adjust in real time based on wind resistance and road conditions, making this not just an RV but a performance machine wrapped in luxury proportions. The massive panoramic windshield curves upward and blends into a solar-treated skylight, giving a cockpit view that feels lifted straight from a Ferrari SF90. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an interior that screams opulence and performance. Synergy. The living space features Alcantara upholstery, carbon fiber accents, ambient LED mood lighting, and handcrafted Italian leather seating. Every element is performance, yet comfort-focused. A dual-zone digital climate system keeps the cabin perfectly adjusted whether cruising in Monaco or camping in the Rockies. The lounge includes electronically reclining captain chairs with memory settings and 8,000-volt entertainment, while a floating coffee table and an augmented reality control panel that manages lighting, temperature, window tint, and media. The kitchen is compact yet powerful, featuring an induction hob, smart oven, vacuum-sealed storage fridge, and an espresso machine built into the cabinetry. Countertops are finished in laser-cut marble composite, offering both visual elegance and thermal resistance. The sleeping quarters in the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV reflect a fusion of privacy and minimalism. A memory foam bed with active posture control rests beneath an illuminated ceiling with customizable star patterns. The side walls are soundproofed and insulated using Ferrari's proprietary cabin quieting technology, normally reserved for the high-end GTS. There are wireless charging pads built into both nightstands, a fold-out display integrated into the ceiling, and climate vents that adjust based on biometric feedback from your wearable device. The bathroom is a masterpiece in itself, featuring a standing rainfall shower with LED-lit glass walls, self-cleaning antibacterial flooring, and an aroma diffusion system to simulate a spa-like atmosphere. The sink features motion-activated faucets, while the vanity includes UV sterilization and an integrated smart mirror with personal care assistant features. The toilet system is eco-friendly, utilizing vacuum flush and scent-neutralizing filtration. Underneath all this luxury is Ferrari's engineering might. The RV is powered by a plug-in hybrid setup, combining a turbocharged V6 engine adapted from the 296 GTB with dual electric motors, delivering a total of 700 horsepower. The transmission is a seamless dual-clutch system that allows smooth torque delivery even at low speeds. The hybrid battery offers 100 kilometers of electric-only range, ideal for silent campground entries or inner-city eco-travel. The regenerative braking system helps recharge on the move, and adaptive air suspension keeps the ride firm on highways and soft on rough roads. Driver assistance systems include Level 2 semi-autonomous features such as lane centering, adaptive cruise, blind spot radar, and parking automation. The cabin is managed via a central AI system that learns user habits, optimizes energy use, and even suggests routes and campsites based on weather and preference. A high-definition 360-degree camera suite and automatic trailer leveling make parking this luxury beast surprisingly effortless. With a price tag estimated at around $1 million, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV is built not just for travel but for a lifestyle where performance and prestige go hand in hand. It's a limited production model with only 99 units available worldwide, each custom tailored to its buyer, from paint finish to interior layout. Thank you for tuning into AutoVibe Diaries, where we bring you the future of automotive lifestyle one masterpiece at a time. If this review of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome RV inspired your imagination and curiosity, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on notifications to never miss out on our exclusive reviews and in-depth journeys. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your adventures boundless.